Hello viewers and welcome to my channel Karari Dalchini. I'm a working wife who is in love with plants and a husband who is fond of eating home-cooked meals. Hence, I'm always trying to maintain a balcony garden and create meals which are healthy, tasty and easy to make, and I'm hoping to share all the tips and tricks and recipes with you on this platform every week. Today I have brought to you a very easy fix which can serve as a mid-morning meal, evening snack, dessert. You can have it really any time of the day, even as a midnight snack. It takes less than 15 minutes, even though if you're too lazy to peel the fruits, trust me, it takes as much time as making a smoothie and tastes even better. The ingredients that we use here are any seasonal fruits, seeds, dry fruits and yogurt or dahi. I prefer to use yogurt or dahi. I have used here mishti doi or sweet curd. I also make the same recipe using plain yogurt or dahi and it turns out as great as this. If you're a sweet lover, then you can add a little bit of gur or jaggery to the plain dahi. Always better to use jaggery instead of refined sugar, isn't it? You can also use fresh cream to make it an even richer dessert. Now among fruits, I have used papaya. I had pre-peeled and refrigerated the papaya. Then apple, mango, grapes, 1 or 2 dates. So I just chop up all the fruits, maintaining an evenness in the cuts to give it a better feel. For nuts and seeds, I have used cashew nuts, that is kaju, and walnuts, that is akhroad, a handful of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds. A little planning on multitasking is the key to faster cooking. So before starting to cut the fruits, I put on the seeds and nuts for toasting on the low flame on the gas to give it a bit more crunch to the salad. The reason I make a point to toss in nuts and seeds into smoothies and salads is because otherwise I would completely forget to eat them in the middle of busy work days. Add all the fruits, toasted seeds and dry fruits over the yogurt base and a delicious healthy bowl of fruit salad is ready just like that. I also cut up some extra fruits and put them in a sealed jar in a refrigerator. I just add some yogurt and make a 2-minute snack for the next day. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you try it out and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Thank you and have a great week.